Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, Make Money Audit and MakeMoneyAudit.com. Today's audit is on one of my favorite YouTube gurus, Mr. AC Hampton. Today's audit is on his video, or the 4 best AI businesses to start in 2026 for beginners. Let's take a look on my audit, and I'll give you some details of what I came up with out of this whole thing. So, the best 4 AI businesses in 2026 ranked by a guy who's made $10 million. Okay. His grade gets a D, or the idea gets a D. Here's why. Pick number 1 is his own niche. If you watch the video, his sponsor pays him when you sign up, and the number 2 pick has a second sponsorship built right into the segment. This isn't ranking, it's a menu where he gets paid two out of the 4 items. So right out of the bat, anything you click on this guy, again, we understand they're in this to make money like everybody else, but his idea and how he's getting you guys signed up, that's the bait. How you guys, click like, oh yeah, we're going to make the money. We're going to make the money. Let's sign up. You just made him money and you just lost money. So keep that in mind. All right. So the claim is, all right, AI business most ranked by metrics that actually matter for beginners. The number 1 claim, AI drop shipping, can pull 30 to 100,000 a month as a completely beginner and within 6 months. Whoa, deep bullshit there. There's just no way. I've been running my drop ship business now on eBay, and I think I'm running 2 to 3 months, and I just now started to make a profit. Of course, I'm using my own ideas to search. I'm not going, I use AutoDS as a ranker not a rank, to a list and a price monitoring. That's a whole nother ball game. We don't want to go down that road. So, okay, complete budget needs to be, this is because he has, obviously Shopify. Budget needs to be about 500 in ad spends plus roughly $100 in subscription. Also claims profitable from week 1. Yeah, right. Sure. With the right product. Yeah, right. If you have the right product, yeah, no problem. Anybody can do it. But his methods and what he's looking for and how he finds them, it's just way to drive you right into his sales shit and get you trapped in his crap. Okay, let's take a look. All right, let's do some math on this guy and let's break this down. Okay. So $500 in ad spend, test maybe 2 to 3 products. Okay. Most products are going to fail. We obviously understand, all know that. Realistic testing budget before I find a winner, and this is the big one. This is the huge one. 2,000 to 5,000. So his numbers are off by 4 to 10%, 4 times and 10 times. He's just basically driving you, the person who just wants to throw away your money, to buy one of his courses or sign up for some of his crap. Okay. So and here's another good one to understand. Drop shipping nets you around 10 to 20% margin. That's a big one. Okay. When it works, exactly. The take home for even 5,000 a month, you're running 25,000 a month revenue, spending thousands of ads every month. 30K to 100K as a complete beginner is in the top 1% presented by, as the baseline. You're not going to get there in 1%. But let's listen to what he's claiming here a little bit. I got a little off track.
What's the best way to make money online, even as a complete beginner? Well, after generating over $10 million in the last decade, I can confidently say that it's AI. And not just right now in 2026, but AI has without a doubt been the biggest money-making opportunity since the internet was created. At the same time,
Oh yeah, let's watch a video of him stretching out in the morning. Who gives a crap of what you do in the morning? Actually show a video that gives backup and realistic crap, not your fake numbers.
also believe that there's a very small window for us to capitalize on this, because sooner or later, everyone will be using AI, which
Hello, everybody is using AI already.
means that the advantage will be gone. So to help you
Hello, the advantage is already gone. People, wake up. This is just another guru selling you bullshit information to get you to sign up to their stuff.
Make the most of this once in a lifetime opportunity. Today, I'll be comparing the 4 best AI business models based on metrics that actually matter for beginners. I'm gonna rank them from good to best, with number 1 being the current.
Okay, so we'll get back into it. Left off on the drop shipping 10-20% margin. Okay, so the recurring costs he waves off. Obviously he doesn't tell you that. $29 a month for Shopify. AutoDS, and this is where it's going to get you, is $19.90 to $49.90 a month. Okay, that's just to get on AutoDS. Where you get hooked on AutoDS is you gotta, if you want to, like, say, like for me, I ship from Amazon, so it means I have to pay them an additional pot of money, like a bank. I basically put $100 in the account, so now you're at $150. So when an order comes through, it can process through Amazon and be done. So then, if you want to use AutoDS, you go use the AI, you got to pay for that. So AutoDS is realistically only good for having your products monitored and Amazon. Other than that, AutoDS is like Zeek Analytics, total waste of money. Okay, so yeah, after the trial expires, plus the AI content. So the $1, everybody signs up for $1, but you know what? That ends pretty quick. So yeah. So in the video, one of the things he says is beginners posting on YouTube Face, 3 to 6 month minimum of working for free. Correct. The same discipline honestly vanishes the moment he reaches number 1. Yeah. Watch the video. He is so full of shit. Let's see here. Okay, let's say he rejects affiliate marketing, number 2, because you don't own anything. You're just renting traffic. The video contains 2 affiliate links that he doesn't tell you. So he tells you it's bad, but then, hey, I have it in here so I can get paid. Please click it. Okay. Then the funnel free cheat sheet. Yep. Captures the contact. Free course. Yeah, right. Leads into the next video. Supreme Ecom Sales Mentorship. At the end of the yeah. So if you want him basically to help you try and do this, the amount of money you're going to spend out front, you're in the hole. Way, way bad. So let's continue with the rest of my audit here. Okay. So, the verdict on this one, it's a D. It's risky. The cons, okay, he lists first 3 models are generally useful. Okay, yeah, that's right. What makes it dangerous because the honesty buyers you trust right before you see the sales pitch. Number 1, timeline and budget are fictional for a beginner. Comment, yeah, right. So what he's telling you is bullshit, is BS. Don't be suckered in. The time frame that this guy is trying to give you is so wrong.
Current king of all AI business models. Now, real quick before I get into the first one, I'm not gonna just sit here and just hype up every business model on this list without giving you the full picture. Because
he's gonna
honestly, depending on
he's gonna give you to show you what he would do, but you gotta understand the amount of money this guy has to make what he wants to do. His output for money is nothing compared to what you're going to dump. So let me jump over to the audit. And just so you see, we got the right one. Pull it up. See, same guy. Oh, I like how he uses the Terminator for him. BS. Okay, best models for beginners in 2026. Yeah. So the thing that picks out the most is the drop shipping. Yeah, we've already gone over the amount of money that's going to take you to get there. I just wanted you to see this on here. You can see it. Yeah, the risk factor is huge because the amount of money you're going to have to spend on advertisement if you run a TikTok or a Shopify store. You're just going to spend a crap load of money. By the way, you're going to put money in his pocket when you sign up. Yeah, we all get that. They're out there to make money. So far, right now, my channel is doing okay. I'm not selling any products anymore. I'm basically just giving you guys 35 years of experience in business finance, auditing, business consulting. I've done all this. And when the math doesn't add up, these guys, which again, math doesn't add up on this one. It doesn't. The concept of doing the product or doing these things, yes, is a good, legitimate off the idea. Only reason why my system keep giving these guys a damn D. If I really wanted to tweak it and be a hard ass on these guys, this would simply be an F. This would be risky, run away, ignore it. What is F? Oh, I can't even do it on this one. So again, if you want to run it, go ahead, like and subscribe, but I'll go ahead and get back. I jumped ahead again. So if you want to run your own audit, makemoneyaudit.com, put the URL, transcript, run the audit. I always recommend you download it or you share it, because the minute you hit that, run another audit, this is gone. So overall, we understand this is just another guru, unrealistic time frame, getting you to sign up for his programs to where he makes money and essentially you lose money. But if you're going to do it, please do your due diligence. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later.